These lower third templates will work on Premiere Pro 2019 or above versions. I have also included fonts. Let me show you how to edit and use these templates. Open Premiere Pro. Let's create a new sequence. I am taking a full HD preset. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Right-click here. Click on Manage Additional Folders. Now click on Add. Select Downloaded and Extracted Template folder. Here all templates are installed. Place template on the timeline. These templates are 4K compatible. Here change text 1. Text 1 font can be changed from here. Change text 2 here. After changing the font, if the text is not in the center, you can change position from here. You can scale text 1 from here. Change text 2 font from here. Text 2 position and scale can be changed from here. Here you can change text 1 and text 2 color. Change rectangle and line colors from here. You can adjust animation position and scale from the Effects Control panel. These lower thirds consist in and out both animation. You can also adjust its duration. Just trim or expand the template to make its duration shorter and longer. That's it. Thanks for watching.